Greetings everyone and welcome back to another video. This is going to be just a very mini bonus review sort of thing. I was at K-Mart, I seen this, and I thought that would be interesting to review for the channel, so I purchased it. And what is it that I have purchased? You've already seen it in the title, so I've kind of already spoiled it. K-Mart is currently selling a gaming microphone for a whole $2.50 Australian. I'm going to just put the currency conversion chart here for you all because that's the cheapest item I've ever had on this channel. Well, a new item anyways. And I checked my local Kmart today and sure enough, they had a whole bunch of them. So if you want a cheap microphone for budget streaming or something like that, it's $2.50 at the moment. I don't know if any other stores around Australia still have it, but the one I checked near me does. And as you can see on screen, here it is here listed on their website. And you can order it online for $2.50. And the style of it looks like a microphone with an LED light built into it. It's got a USB connector on it, and there's a mute switch on there as well. And yeah, it just sits on your desk and you speak into it like you do with any other microphone. Kmart's description says, enjoy superior gaming experience with this gaming microphone that features LED light and adjustable tilt angle. The dimensions are there, the color is black, the features are sensitive microphone, omnidirectional microphone monomer radio effect, adjustable tilt angle to strengthen position, metal spring arm and counterweight base, structural stability, support Windows 7, 8, 10 or later, Mac OS 10.11 or later. Currently it's got 4.5 stars with 8 reviews, with Matt saying it's an affordable omnidirectional mic, and Lillian saying that it's easy to use. And here it is here. I've kind of had to zoom out as much as possible to try and get this in sort of frame. I'll try my best to go around the box as best as I can. But first, just to prove that it was $2.50, right there. Gaming microphone. $2.50. You can't even buy a cheeseburger for that price, man. So yeah, gaming microphone with LED light, sensitive microphone, stuff that it's featured on the website. There's the picture there. Side of it, there's the long-ass barcode that's usually on Kmart products. Gaming microphone with LED light. The LED is blue, according to this. Gaming microphone with LED light, it's the same thing. And barcode, barcode, barcode. Okay, let's pop it open. The original asking price for this from Kmart was only $12, so it's still a pretty good bargain. And I'll link just up here if you want to see my previous cheapo Kmart tech thing, where I had a look at different tech products from Kmart. It's pretty much the same thing, Anko branded, cheap gaming computer gear, and for $12, it's not a bad deal if you're just a person who just needs a cheapo mic, but for $2.50, yeah, it's even better. Inside we get... It's bigger than I thought. That's what she said. Right, well, there you go. There it is there. No instructions, no driver disc or anything like that. Very standard, very basic. But here it is here. Kind of looks like a, I don't know, something you'd see in Star Trek maybe, or some sort of science fiction thing going on there. The base is like so. Clicky button on the bottom. There you got 3 rubber feet just there. Game microphone with light, key code, factory code, the input rating, batch code, made in China, all that good stuff. The cable's not braided, it's just a standard, normal cable. Nothing special here, no gold-plated USB or anything like that. The cable length is about 1.5 meters, which is pretty good. You can use the USB extension cable if you need it to go longer, but if you're going to be using it just for sort of normal streaming purposes, I suppose, it's more than enough. The base has a little bit of weight to it, not too much. I don't know if it's worth tearing it down or not. And, oh, I think I might have already broken it. Oh, no, it's fine. Look, it's flexible. You can move it around, so you can have it like that, or however you want to have it. Oh, okay. So when you move it, it sort of makes that noise. Okay, so there's no pop filter or anything like that installed on it. It's just very basic. But let's go ahead and plug it in and give this a test and see if it's worth $2.50. Of course it is. $2.50, man. I'm not going to complain with that. Plug it into the computer. There we go. I'll just turn the lights off. Look at that. And if you press that, oh, it turns off. So that means it's on. That means it's off. Well, at least it's easy to see when you want to mute it. You just do that. Do that. All right. Well, let's go ahead and test this. So the current microphone that I have set up for my camera cost me about $15 on eBay, and it's a, I don't know how to pronounce this properly, a lavalier mic, I think it is. And it's pretty good. I don't know what the brand name is. Hang on, there might be a brand name on here somewhere. Nope, there's not. So this is the quality of my microphone on my camera. Now let's jump to the quality of this microphone and see how it sounds. This is how this microphone sounds. There's obviously no sort of left and right, I don't think. It's just picking up if I just speak right into it like so. If I sort of make a P sound, sort of thing, you can kind of hear it. Audacity seems to be recording, yep, just the 2 channels as normal. No problems here. Now if I was to click the button, and then clicking the button back, brings it all back. So how does it sound? I'll have to listen to it and let you all know.
Okay, so Peter Griffin here, testing the $2.50 K-Mart microphone for s'mores here. It's sounding pretty good. It's actually sounding very, very good. I'm very, very happy with this. I said very, very quite a lot just there. Oh well, doesn't matter. I'm going to sit here, just talk to myself just for a little bit longer. Okay, so you heard the test. I'm going to go now. See you later.
I'm going to say this, but holy crap, that actually sounds really, really, really good. It is a lot better than I expected. Even at $12, that is more than acceptable. If you get like a little pop filter sort of thing, like one of those little foam things that go over the microphone, there you go, problem solved. You got yourself a streaming microphone. This thing, well, it doesn't do stereo recording. You can't expect it to do too much. It does the job. It's very clear, and I had Ripley playing in the hallway. This didn't pick up that during the recording or tests or anything like that. Well done, K-Mart, but is it worth pulling it apart though? I just want to see the PCB in here to see if it's got a name or something like that on it so we can search up and see if there's any sort of known manufacturer. Absolutely exceptional. Go to K-Mart and get one now. Put it this way, if I destroy this microphone, I can just go to K-Mart and buy another one. It doesn't matter. Holy moly, I was not expecting it to sound as good as it did. Yep, there we go. So there's our rubber feet there with our sticky. But we've got 2 screws there. I mean, generally the stuff that I did get from Kmart in the Cheapo Tech Special was actually really good. It wasn't the worst quality, nor was it the best quality, but for the price, absolutely worth it. Good old Australians here and in New Zealand as well. You've got access to Kmart now. Sadly, it's not in the US anymore. Rest in peace. You have access to cheapo products like this. If you want to build a cheapo gaming setup, you've got plenty of tools. They've also got gaming mouses. Is it mouses or mice? It's mouses, isn't it? Yeah, I think it's mouses. They've got them on special for $5 for a 8000 DPI one, and a 16,000 DPI one is about $8 or something like that. Really ridiculous prices they've got going at the moment. There we go. Alright. And it just pops off like so, and there's our... oh. There's our weight just there. Well, they did promise that there was a weight in there. Not going to say anything bad about that because that does help out, you know, the stability and stuff like that. And it's got rubber feet. Can't complain. But there it is just there. So we'll take the 2 screws out. So that is it just there. There is AM300 version 1.2 2019 is the date code. We've got the cables soldered onto there, the 2 LEDs. We've got some little chips just there if you can see them. It's very basic, no nonsense here. Obviously the clear plastic here for the lights to shine through. And then the microphone itself, I'll see if I can take this off. I should be able to. And that's what it looks like. Kind of looks like 2 eyes and a mouth just there, or a mustache or something like that. But there it is just there. It's just a little tiny microphone in there like so. But it sounds good for what it is though, that's for sure. Alright, I'm going to plug it in again just to see if it still works. I've taken it apart. Seems to be fine. I'm just going to go ahead and do another test just to make sure. Testing the $2.50 microphone from Kmart again after disassembly. This is what it sounds like. And honestly, if you put a pop filter on here, it's going to sound pretty good. I need to find one. I don't have one spare. But if I do have one, I could probably put it on here and use this as a cheap alternative for streaming or something like that. I mean, I've got enough mics as it is already, but my god, for $2.50, it's actually not that bad. It is very, very clear for what it is. Well, there you go, everyone. That's it. That's the $2.50 microphone from Kmart at the moment. I don't know how long it's going to stay on special for $2.50, probably until they get rid of them. I wonder if they'll mark them down any further if they don't get rid of them. They might just put them for $1 and just let them go out the door. But seriously though, very impressed with the quality of this. As I said, even if it was $12, it'd still be worth it. It sounds pretty good. It's very basic. It stays on the desk quite well. That moves. Doesn't pick up background noise. If you have a little pop filter, put it on there. Just a little one that goes over a small microphone. Just put that on there. You'll be fine. You got your little mute button. Everything that you need right here. So yeah, $2.50 from Kmart. Go grab it if you're near one. If they don't have it in stock, try another store, or you can buy it online. Up to you. So thank you very much for tuning into this bonus mini review of the gaming microphone from Kmart that I paid $2.50 for, which is absolutely exceptional. If you've already got one, let me know. And if I have now convinced you to go buy one, let me know if you do get one and what you think of it. That's pretty much it. I don't think I need to talk about anything else, to be fairly honest. But I will leave it here, so thank you very much for watching once again. I really do appreciate it. And as always, take care, stay safe, be good people, and I'll see you all in the next video. If you like this content, feel free to leave a like or a dislike if you didn't. Thanks heaps for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.